This Jayco has bunk beds for the kids, solar on top, and a pretty nifty Murphy bed, as well as off-road tires for those adventurous families. So right as you come in, we have this living area here. Now, this is a couch that can also be turned into a bed. So what you do.
There's a big glowing blue right there.
I'm so glad you asked. So we can have this down if you want to sleep on this, or
I don't want to sleep on that.
you can put
Are you
this
saying
bed down.
I can sleep on something else?
You can sleep on something else better than that couch.
Oh my goodness.
We have a mattress.
I've always wanted to
I love this.
sleep on a mattress.
Now we have this cool blue light here, and it's not just a wall. It's a curved wall.
That is what it's called. It's a curved wall. As you guys can tell, it curves.
Oh yeah.
That's what she wanted to tell you. It curves.
Storage on either side. So what you see here, you're gonna have on the other side. We have a shelf here, and we also have a rod for your hangables. We have these hooks here right behind me for your little coats and jackets that you wanna hang as soon as you come through the door. Nightstands here, and let's see.
Pulls out.
Oh.
Gotta be strong.
I was like, which way does it go? Okay, pulls out. So you have hidden compartments here, and nobody will ever know that you have valuables in there. Now we have this ledge here for additional storage, maybe a tablet, extra phone. Extra phone, look at me.
You never know.
You never know.
Yeah,
You never know.
Having two phones is important.
Some people have two phones, one for work, one for socializations. Outlets here, and USB-C, USB ports.
Outlets are important, guys, because usually I would have an espresso machine right next to my bed, but you could also have a CPAP machine if needed.
Same thing on this side, little shelf, little closet space.
That goes deep. It's actually very deep.
It goes all the way to the wall
Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool.
and has mirrors so you can see your beautiful self.
That's what I look at every morning.
Underneath here is also, oh my goodness gracious.
Storage, more hidden storage, guys.
Hidden storage.
Oh, that's where you keep your cash. Look at that.
This is where you keep your cash, your jewels,
Great place.
diamonds,
Now everyone knows.
outlets as well on this side. Now I'm gonna put this up.
I would help, guys, but
I don't need your help. This is so easy. I don't even need your help.
I wasn't offering though, I guess. But, you know, I couldn't help. Someone's got to film.
Lock that into place. And all you do is
There we go.
easy peasy. Underneath, you're gonna have a place to put maybe your shoes. I mean, that would be maybe a place to put your shoes, things that you're not using too often, maybe some jackets, summer stuff.
And right there is where you have your table. So it's kind of nice. You guys might be wondering.
How do you have dinners? Well, you just pull this table out.
There it
So
is.
it's just a folding table, and that way you can set this up here and enjoy some family dinners. And you can even put this outside if you wanted to grill outside, put this outside, and then you have a table.
I don't know. I'd prefer to eat right here. Look at this. That's
You can put
awesome.
some bar stools in here actually, and that would be perfect. This nice large window for those views, neighborhood watch. And if you wanted more cooking space, you could definitely utilize this for a cooking space. If you wanted to fold up your clothing, you can also use this. It's fantastic. Underneath are these open shelving, bungee corded cubbies. Shoes in there actually would be perfect. So just stow those away and you don't have to worry about shoes all over the place.
Yeah, I don't want shoes all over the place.
Nice large window to let that sun in. Fridge here, it's plenty of space for all of your yummy food.
What's your favorite food?
I don't know. I think I like tacos.
Taco. You look like a taco person.
Yeah, I'm a taco person. Now, again, this is equipped with solar, which is nice. Up here, we have a nice little storage area for maybe pots and pans. Easy to reach. Maybe some spices could go in there. A fan, 2-burner stovetop, microwave, place to put your trash bags or like plastic bags that you want to just have in there. And this
That's where I would put the trash bags. I don't know what you're talking about.
trash bags and cleaning supplies can go in here.
That's exactly what
This can go up actually. You can put a nice size trash bin in there. That way you have a 13-gallon trash bin. Here we have our counter space. I love
It's
this.
kind of nifty. Look at that, guys.
Oh my gosh, I thought it was grouted. It actually
it's
looks
not
like
grouted.
it's,
That's
there's a shadow on there. It kind
That's-
of gives you that,
Jeez.
what? That's like that's an illusion right there.
That's fancy pantsy, guys. This is
It literally looks real. I'm not even joking.
You
And I
guys,
touched it, I'm like, oh my gosh.
you guys
it's
have
so
to
smooth.
buy it to feel it.
Yeah, buy it to feel it. Matte black faucet, and as well as our handles here. And look at that. 2 crock pots can go in there, or Instapots.
I don't know, I'd put like a,
Are you an Instapot person or a crock pot person? I'm personally a crock pot person because I don't know how to use the Instapot.
you just
Freaks
press
me
a
out a
button.
little bit. I know, but then you have to like vent it and stuff. I don't know, it just freaks me out. Underneath here, we have hidden storage, which is pretty cool. I have not seen a counter space that could go up like this.
Well, I would actually put probably like, I don't know, maybe like a
Junk
headlamp
drawer?
or something. Because here, if you do connect here, they did leave a little opening right here.
Right here, you can
You can wire the cables.
wire the cables here and
Okay, so we could,
bang.
look at that.
Let's, oh,
We
Wait.
almost lost the keys. Important.
oh
Oh,
no.
no, she broke the keys. This is intense, guys. There's more action happening right now than watching a baseball game.
Save the keys.
So don't put your keys over there, guys.
Don't put your keys in
Learn
there.
from us.
Anyways, so that's pretty nifty. Perfect counter space
TV.
here. Perfect to put a plant, TV, outlet. More additional space. What would you put in here?
I'd probably put like a bowl of cereal that is, getting ready. Not with milk. Just like ready for tomorrow. I just come in, open it up, and
That's weird.
you
Should
know
have
what?
never asked. I regret asking you.
Don't ask questions you don't want answers to.
Oh dear. Pantry. These are going to be also removable if you wanted to put in larger items in here. But this is going to be perfect for your dry goods, maybe pasta, rice, canned goods. This is a mirror, so you can use
It's like a big mirror too.
to look at yourself. Drawer number 1, 2, 3. Oh, these ones are a little bit deeper.
Man, she knows how to count, guys. She went through ESL and everything.
Those are good. Those are good for additional storage of food, maybe some toys. Kids can go in here. They have this curtain here for privacy.
Is it big kids or small kids?
And a little, well, maybe a bigger kid can go here, but this is probably nice and reinforced so that you can actually get up on there.
Okay. That's
Because
kinda
it doesn't
cool.
have a ladder. You don't have room for that.
Is there like a USB port in there?
So
I'd go in there, but it's tight.
go in there. So
Oh
you,
man. I gotta climb all
there
the way
is
up
a
here.
light in there.
That's kind of cool. So you do have nice little netting. Put like a toy in there. I don't know.
Toy,
Game
maybe,
Boy.
yeah, maybe a book.
Look, ew. Game
They
Boy.
have windows on either side, so that's good. They both have that sunlight in here.
Speaking of sunlight, wow.
Isn't this bright?
Dang, man.
Shower, this gets the job done. Curtain here, place to put your shampoo bottles.
It is nice if you are tall.
You can really stick your head in there.
Be as close to the
If-
sun as possible.
Yeah, but you're clean. This is gonna be where the magic happens, right? And it's given enough space for your legs.
It's great.
Open shelving here. Put things like your skincare, maybe a toothbrush, toothpaste. If you want that hidden away, you could definitely put that in there. Counter space for your makeup, skincare.
That's where I keep all my lotions and creams.
There you go, see? Toilet paper can go either there or there. And your toilet paper, I don't know why I had to touch that.
Oh, you're doing it for them.
I was like, oh, this is spinning. In here is a little bit tight. So
You're getting a lot of bang for your buck. So.
okay, so if I was like a regular person, right, and I needed to get in here, I had to scooch back a little bit and
Just go in the shower.
bend over to the shower. Yeah,
That's what normally people do. Just go in the shower.
I don't think I want to go in the shower every single time I want to open this. But you could. You can totally do this if you wanted to.
Well, that's what I would do.
And be like, okay, well, what are we getting today? Some
Fine.
cleaning supplies.
I mean, at least you got extra storage.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, what's that you just touched?
This is going to be a towel holder as well as these hooks. And that way you have your hand towel and then you have your towel as soon as you're done with the shower. So that was the bathroom. Pretty cool space. Now we're going to talk about the specs. Your freshwater capacity is at 55 gallons, gray is at 38, and black is at 38. The overall length of this is going to be at 23 feet. The weight of it is 4,400 pounds, and the gross weight is at 5,650. All right, let's go check out the outside. Now, as you come in,
Let's come out.
outside,
Yeah,
come outside. You'll see it is black and white. I love that. It is very minimalistic.
It's the Baja edition, guys.
It's the Baja edition, and they have this right here. And you're like, what is that for? Well, It is prepped for when you cross the border to Canada. It is all prepped for it to go, and that way, no funny business. Off-road tires here. Single axle.
Nice little rims too. Look at that thing. Thing looks like it's meant to go off-roading.
Has solar on top and a nice little awning, they call it.
Yeah, that's what they call it nowadays.
In the rear, we have a backup camera prep, shower outside in case you want to do that.
And of course, you do have your hitch here, which is mainly for a bike. You can't hitch anything else, but 250 pounds, which is kind of nice.
Ladder to access the solar panels. Hopefully this is open. Yep. Awesome. Nice area for storing some outside stuff, maybe some tools that you want to store.
Looks perfect size for a grill.
Electric tankless water heater, or your slide is going to be right here. And we're back at, look at that. Nice storage size. You can fit your fishing poles. You can fit larger items that are longer.
Probably gonna want your chairs in there.
Camping chairs will be perfect in there.
I'll bring in a lot of bug spray, all the bug spray, because if I'm taking this thing to Alaska.
2 propane tanks. And then we're back at the front end here with our Jayco logo.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool looking RV, guys. It's small, gets the job done.
It gets the job done. And of course, we're back at the storage. So this is actually perfect for off-roading. If in case you want to take your family out to a remote area that requires some off-road tires, this is it. This is perfect. Now, the coolest part of all is that if you buy this through Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I appreciate you and hope you guys like this unit. It's pretty nifty, right? Take it off-road with your family. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.